in trade. Gland Pharma, of course, is down 2% at about 1347 or so on Gland. It's what a complete sort of disaster the stock has seen. We just, a fourth week of this year, the stock's already lost about 15%. Ekta is standing by, joining in right now to tell us more on what's happening with Gland. Ekta, over to you.
Thanks for that. Well, yes, I did mention in my top 10 link that it is a difficult stock to predict, despite the fact that many of the brokerages have been quite positive about the company's earnings going forward. Now, in terms of the overall performance this time, it did miss street estimates, both on the revenue and the profit front. It was the third consecutive quarter of a revenue and a profit decline by the company. The company says that it is a challenging business environment. They have continued to face supply chain challenges, which continue to impact business. So the revenue was down 12%. The street was anticipating a flat performance. Core markets, which is 70% of their sales, was down 11% year-on-year. India was down around 30% on a year-on-year basis. Profit was down 15%. Street was anticipating around a 3% decline. Positives this quarter was the margin improvement. Margins came in line with estimates at 30.9% versus 28% Q-on-Q. So there was an improvement there. The company has said that they are going to take steps to generate stakeholder value. It is net cash to the tune of over 3,800 odd crores. So that's definitely a positive. Remember, the stock is already corrected over 60% from its 52-week high. It's trading at around 21.8 times. So a lot of the bad news is probably already factored in.
Okay, thanks a lot, Ekta, for that. So Gland Pharma is actually recovering a tad bit from the lows, so keep an eye out on that. But